We men are the monsters now. The time of heroes is dead, Wiglaf. The Christ God has killed it, leaving humankind with nothing but weeping martyrs, fear, and shame.
Othr, directing human nature. Expanding on a previous video on Othr, link in the description. The passionate energy we all feel, but is more prevalent in Berserker and those who cultivate it. That energy, that force, must be directed, or it will consume you. The terrible Berserk, the villainous sorcerer, most villains and brutes of even modern stories are the result of misdirecting or ignoring the Othr. Stories are the products of the human mind, and as such, reflections of human psychology, some more so than others. Our minds are a combination of chaos and order, id and superego, respectively. You are the chooser of that balance. Too much chaos, too much unbridled Othr, and your life goes to shit. You won't be able to control yourself. Your actions become emotional and erratic. Think of the Othr, the archetypes of chaos, hungry and often deformed and malicious. Likewise, too much order is bland. Order by itself only understands ones and zeros. No room for emotion or human connection. Order unbalanced represses the chaos. It makes the chaos grow until it bursts. Think of Fenrir, who was only bound out of fear of his size, strength, and power. Wolves are not vicious monsters to be subdued. Think of your id, your chaos, as an animal. Any animal cornered and neglected will lash out. The id is about survival and emotional connection. Look at Christianity. Every once in a while, and seemingly frequently, you hear about a church leader who abuses their power. Typically, they do the very things they preach against, hurting people irreparably. This is because they ignore the animal, base, emotional wants, needs, and urges. So those wants, needs, and urges become twisted, and that beast within becomes a fucked up monster. When if they had just acknowledged that we are red-blooded, flesh and bone, and those instincts are not evil. In fact, evil is subjective. Then there would be less pain in this world. Othr is one of those urges and instincts. It is the wolf under the skin, the bear under the persona, the mask that we show society. Chaos and order must be balanced. Chaos and order must balance one another. I recommend you study psychology. Look up what academia says about us, about you. Direct your instincts. Don't let them direct you. Listen to people like Robert Sopalsky. I'll put a couple of his videos in the description. We cannot be better tomorrow without knowing the flaws of today. You and I are compilations of our actions. So understand why you act and direct the way you do.
Skull!